I've been working on organizing my shop using 3D printed tool holders for a while now. This allows me to customize my tool wall in a color scheme of my choice. I typically use free 3D models from Thingiverse and Printables. I had to get creative by using 3D models for a purpose other than what they were intended to be used for, like these broom holders that now hold my pool saws. Eventually, probably like many of you, I could not find a model that met my needs. I was faced with a decision: learn a new skill and start designing my own 3D models, or cave in and buy something to suit my needs. I dragged my feet thinking it would be too complicated, but eventually I caved, and I spent an afternoon going through a tutorial with a gifted YouTuber. Stick around and check out the results.
The focus today is to design a simple tool holder, and to do that we'll learn how to create a 2D sketch, constrain it, and then extrude it to give it thickness. This video is part of a series on using 3D design for 3D printing using a free Onshape account.
Well, there you go. 3D modeling isn't as hard as I was making it out to be. I now have the skill to be able to design simple, everyday functional items. If you ever thought about learning how to model, then go check out Teaching Tech. If you found inspiration, value, or entertainment from this video, then don't be shy. Hit that subscribe button and check out one of my other videos like this one to the right.